steals some shit for sure.
Got him.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Flounder, flounder, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Yeah!
In this video, we turned my John boat into a bow fishing setup for night fishing with some scrap, plywood and 2x4s for the platform. We got 2 amber light bars of Amazon for a combined cost of under $30 and bolted them to the front of the platform with the trolling motor. We then headed over to the Gulf Coast to try out the new setup.
So we got the crab net, we got the bow. I guess all the fish are going in the bucket. Oh, I missed him. There's the crab though, we can get the crab. Oh, oh.
No way.
Oh yeah.
No, you got him, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah. Get wrecked, son.
All right, that's a hit for me.
Bring him in.
All right,
Okay?
somebody get a picture with that. All righty.
Motherfucker, how?
All right, I'm just gonna stay with him. Shoot. We're gonna put him right below you. Oh, headshot.
That's what I was aiming for.
Grab that arrow and just pull it out of the ground. Nice.
Scoop, don't let him near you.
Nice. Shoot really low. Low, low, lower, lower, lower. Oh no, that didn't sound good. Did you actually have it knocked?
Nope.
Yep, right there. Are you ready? Aim low. Aim low. Oh yeah! Oh, here's running. Okay. 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 Move that tackle box. Reel the bow line all the way up.
Yeah, listen.
Give me a second.
I'm gonna flip him right onto that.
Hey, put him on his back. Like this. Flip him, because then his stinger can't get.
Okay.
You want me to move the bucket?
I'm gonna flip him right there. 3.
Yeah, move it. Watch me.
Oh yeah.
Alright, pliers.
Look at that monster. Okay.
He's all the way.
Can you twist it? All right, that's good. There you go. Ready?
Nope.
Okay. Good shot.
Where do you want him?
Oh golly. I got the bow.
Damn, dog, that's a good shot.
Yeah.
Alright, I can retire.
Well, shoot. Now I know who. No, we need you to shoot the flounder. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Couple of sheep. Got him.
Hell yeah.
A sheep's head.
Oh shit.
Oh, he might be. Look at that crap. Look at that guy. He's so tempting. Oh. I just gotta figure out how to get out of here. Flounder, flounder, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Yeah!
Yep.
Hey, bro, magic word.
No, it's the flounder.
Oh no.
Right?
Yeah.
You need the what? Nah, you don't.
Yeah.
Those are the magic words. Shot.
Nice.
That was within seconds. It's now a law. That's a light.
Oh yeah, he's 16.
Perfect. Nice.
That's a good flounder right there. Nice.
Hey, you think your arrow's good?
Oh, I can just poke the fish. All right, here. It's a snook. Yep. Catfish.
It's a whopper.
Too small, but that's awesome.
Yeah, first shot.
Wow. I've got no clue. They look like little mackerel.
Well, I recognize that. That's a pufferfish.
Yeah. They're not that. Yeah. What do you know it? Another catfish.
That's the same one. Using that crack bait. If that's not the same fish, I swear.
Nice.
Alright, what do we got here?
That is a ladyfish.
Ladyfish.
That is the best shark bait you will ever find.
Well, then I got you shark bait. Hoo ha ha.
Great.
Fantastic.
Bloody mess, which is what they... That guy.